I'm going to give you an honest review of PromoteKit in this video, and I'm going to go over the pros and cons of the affiliate software. If you're thinking about running your own affiliate program, then you may be looking at PromoteKit, and I'm going to help you decide if it's good for your company. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs, and we also have the best affiliate software and comparisons on our website. And we're going to be going over PromoteKit. I'm going to go over some of the pros, and I'm also going to go over some of the cons and just keep it really honest with you in this video. So PromoteKit is an affiliate software that is built specifically for Stripe. So that's one of the biggest pros about it. So it tracks if you have refunds or subscriptions or cancellations or tracking trials. It connects and syncs all of that, so you don't have to worry about that, and it just does everything magically in the background. One of the other great things about PromoteKit is it's really well designed. So a lot of the affiliate software was built many years ago, and these companies, they may have more features than PromoteKit, but the design is just not so great. So I think PromoteKit did a really good job with the design, and you can pay out your affiliates with PayPal and Wise. And you can also set up different commission structures, and it also has a light and dark mode, and it also has coupon code tracking, and you can create coupon codes very easily for your affiliates. And they also have very good documentation that is very simple and easy to understand. And one of the really good things about PromoteKit is their pricing. So a lot of the affiliate software out there only gives you a 14-day free trial or no free trial at all. And it may take, if you have a small SaaS startup that's using Stripe, it may take a month or a couple weeks to start getting affiliates and for those affiliates to start generating sales. So you may not want to start wasting all this money. So I think that's where PromoteKit does a very good job. You can do their free plan up until you get 3 referrals. And also their pro plan, you can earn up to $10,000 a month from affiliates. And then once you're past that, you have to contact them for their enterprise pricing. I'm not sure what it is. And I think their pro plan is also a very good deal. A lot of the affiliate software out there is like $49, $59 a month. So I think PromoteKit has good pricing. And this is their settings right here. So if you sign up as a company, you'll get to the setup and you connect with Stripe and you connect it and integrate it into your website. And then as far as the settings go, you can put your organization name, your logo, and you can also select if you want to do PayPal, Wise, or you can do other. And if you do other, you can handle manual payouts. You can set the subdomain, and you can also invite team members. And you also have a few email setting options right here. So I think their settings is lacking a little bit compared to some of the other affiliate software out there. But if you don't need a bunch of settings and customization, then it doesn't really matter. This is what the dashboard looks like for an affiliate. I showed you what it looks like for a business signing up, but I'm going to show you what it looks like for an affiliate. So you get your link right here. They don't have an option to create custom links for custom pages. A lot of the other affiliate software has that. If I click referred user or payouts or commission details, it's very simple, but it's very well designed, and I think it just works. One of the other cons about PromoteKit, and I did talk with their CEO over chat a couple weeks ago when I signed up and listed PromoteKit on my website, is you can't control the cookie length for your affiliate program. So the cookie length is defaulted at 60 days. He said he's going to add a feature to change that. Another con of the PromoteKit affiliate program is it does not have an API. So if you really need some customization, then you may want to look at other affiliate software companies out there that have an API. However, if you're just running a simple SaaS affiliate programs on Stripe for your startup, then it may not be important to you at all. So I would say the pros of PromoteKit are the pricing super good. It just syncs and does everything with Stripe very well, and it's very well designed and very simple. The cons are that it is almost too simple, and it's lacking some settings and some customization and lacking an API and stuff like that, and it only connects to Stripe. But overall, I think if you're a startup and you're planning on doing, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, then PromoteKit is a great option for you if you are using Stripe. And I think that they are going to grow, and they're going to add more features and more settings in the future. And they are a very new affiliate software. And when I saw them, I was like, wow, this is very well designed. So I'm looking forward to what PromoteKit looks like in a year or two. If you want to sign up with them, I will leave a link down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I'll also leave a link to the affiliate software page on our website so you can compare other affiliate softwares and you can make the best decision for your company. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.